Hi everyone, welcome to Park Mazda. This is how to effectively use your Mazda HMI Commander or the human machine interface. This control panel right here, it might seem a little bit awkward to use at first, but it's really not. A lot of people want to use the touchscreen function to get into all of their applications and whatnot, but it's a lot more difficult to lean forward and reach up and touch the screen. Way easier to use the HMI Commander if you know how to use it. You've got 5 buttons. You've got the back button, your music, your home screen, navigation, and your favorites. You've also got a volume button and your electronic parking brake. How to use it effectively is with this joystick right here. You can turn it, you can move it from side to side, up, down, however you want to do it. The quickest way to get to wherever you need to go is to press the home button. That will take you to this home screen right here. In order to cycle through each of these icons, all you have to do, like I said, is turn the dial to the left and the right, or you can move it like a joystick left and right, whichever way you like. Now once you want to make a selection, let's go into the settings for example, all you have to do is push down on the center of the joystick, and that will take you into your menu options. In order to cycle through each option, well, first of all, you can see that there are tabs at the top and then options below each tab. In order to cycle through each of the options in the tab, all you do is turn the dial left and right. To get to the next tab, you move the joystick left and right. So joystick left and right will take you through tabs. Turning the joystick up and down will take you through the options within each tab. And then in order to select each option, you just push in the joystick like we showed you before. So now we're going to show you how to use the favorites button on the right hand side of the HMI Commander. First what we'll do is we'll click home. That will take us to the home screen. We'll cycle over to entertainment and click over to favorites. So you'll see that we're already on a radio station 92.5. Once we go into the favorites section, you can add and edit radio favorites. Click that and then you can add the station that you're currently on. Now that has been added to the favorites. You can continue to add more by clicking back on the HMI Commander, and now you can tune the radio again by turning the dial to whatever station you like, and then go back to your favorites and continue adding as many radio stations as you choose. You can add Sirius XM stations as well if your vehicle is equipped. Now, if ever you want to select one of your favorite radio stations, doesn't matter what menu item you're on, you can be somewhere in the settings. As long as you hit that favorites button on the HMI Commander, it'll take you right to it and you can select your favorite station. So thank you very much for watching this how-to video on how to use your Mazda HMI Commander. You can check out our YouTube channel where we have all of our how-to videos posted online if you have any other questions regarding the functionality and how to use particular aspects of your Mazda. Anything else that you might need from us, you can always go to parkmazda.ca.